two 1/4-inch ratchets here. Snap-on the left, icon on the right. Both of them have been modified with a snap-on 3/8 ratchet kit to fit in a 1/4-inch body. Which one sounds smoother? I think the snap-on still sounds smoother. And guess what? Right now, they're flexing. But which one is tighter once you lock it in place? This is the icon. Okay, a little bit of play. Here is the snap-on. See, that's the problem with the snap-on. I just don't like where this lock is. I think the snap-on wins. Thanks for watching.